ready to start?
Yeah.
How's everybody doing? Good?
Yeah.
Thumbs up? Good? Okay. All right. So, today's goal, what I want to know,
Talk louder.
okay. So, what I want to have you guys finish with learning is how to add positive integers and to decipher what, or to be able to point out what is a negative or a positive integer.
Oh.
You guys have been doing that, right? We're just
Yeah.
gonna expand on it more. Okay? What I'm gonna have you guys do, I'm gonna have you guys I'm gonna put an example on the board, and I'm gonna have you guys come to the board and write and give an answer for the group. Okay? Cool. Got it. All right. So these are examples. If you guys want to write them down, that way you know what to do on the problems that you're gonna do on your own. Okay? So, example one. When you guys hear the word sum, what does it mean? What does the word sum mean? What is it making you guys, what is it asking you to do?
It's asking us to like sum it, I guess. Like add.
Okay, add.
I guess.
Giselle, what do you think it is?
I don't know.
Adding.
Keith? Okay, Liam?
The sum is what you get when you add two numbers together. Take a break. You just had a break.
Addition. So sum is what?
The sum is what you get when you add two numbers together. Together.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Alright. So we'll have a number 9. Okay? And then so which way, if it's positive, does it go? Which way do you graph it on the number 9? To the right or to the left?
Right.
Okay. So the sum of 3 plus 5 is 8. So where would I graph that? To the left or the right?
I'm trying to think.
Positive.
Yeah, positive and negative.
So where would 8 be?
At right there.
8, right?
Yep.
Alright, so let me give you another example. Okay? Find
I can't see it.
find the sum of negative 3 plus 8. What's negative 3 plus 8? I mean, plus 5, sorry. Negative 3 plus 5 equals what? If I'm rushing, let me know and I could slow down a little bit. If 3 plus 5 is 8,
Yeah.
what's negative 3 plus 5?
Well, negative 3, that would be 8, but it would be negative 8 because it's a negative.
So if you see it, you have to, even though it says sum, what do you have to do? You have to do the opposite, right? What's the opposite of addition? What's the opposite of addition?
Minus.
Okay, good job, Keith. Anita. So negative 3 plus 5 is?
Negative 3 plus 5 is. So that would be 2.
Very good. Good job, you did too. Alright, so is it, yeah, leave it at positive or is it negative?
Yeah.
Positive.
Wait, is it positive or negative? It's positive.
So it's positive, right? Because then the bigger
Yeah.
number is,
Because the big number is 5,
okay, which is
which is 2.
positive, right? If
Yeah,
the
positive, positive 5.
If the bigger number is positive, the answer would be positive.
Yeah.
Okay, it takes a sign. Okay,
Wait, let me write that down.
okay. If you guys want to write this down, you can.
They're under the book.
Okay. So.
Jen.
So which way would I graph to? Negative or positive? Someone guide me where to I should graph to. Which side? Which side?
Which side is what?
Negative.
I'm focusing on this.
Positive.
Okay, so where would I graph it? Negative 2 or positive?
Positive.
It would be right here, right, Giselle? So it would be to the left. To the left, right? Okay. Alright. One more, I'm gonna have you guys do some practices on the board, okay? So let me quickly go over something. So when adding, when you're adding and subtracting, it's so it's even plus and even. So let's say you had 2 plus 4 equals 6, right? Even, right? Yes? Are you guys all with me?
Yeah.
Okay. So when you're doing even minus even, it will be even. So 2 minus 4 is 2. And then so if you have an even number, let's say you have 2 plus 5. Is my answer going to be an even number or an odd number?
Odd.
Okay, you can get it.
Okay. So what's 2 plus 5, Eden?
2 plus 5 is 7.
What about subtraction?
5 minus 2 would be 3. And that 3 is an odd number.
So
Even.
you're listening right now. Just listen. Listen.
Pencil.
Okay. Does this make sense so far, guys?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Ask if you guys have questions. Keith, are you with us? Giselle, any questions?
That one is the right one.
What's the right one?
2 plus 4 equals 6.
Well, they're both right. I'm just giving you the adding or subtracting.
Like that.
Yep.
Okay, does that make sense? Because you guys are gonna come up in pairs to answer problems.
Alright.
Okay, on the
What the-
board? Okay?
Alright.
Alright, so can I erase this?
If you want.
Okay, so what's our goal? To do what?
To do odd or even.
To,
Add positive integers. I don't know how minus it.
Is Aiden the only person that's paying attention?
Decipher.
Is Aiden the only one following with me? If you guys need me to review something, I can. Yeah, okay. So I want the goal is to be able to add a negative and a positive and to find out if the answer is going to be negative or positive. Okay, does that make sense? And to be able to do what with it?
If you're
What are
confused
you
or
trying
have
to
any
do?
questions, ask Miss Joy.
What are you trying to do?
You're trying to.
After you solve the problem, what are you going to do?
You're gonna see if it's odd or even.
Besides that one,
You're gonna minus it.
after you've solved the problem, what are you going to do?
What is the second thing? So you decipher what is what.
Decipher what is a negative or positive.
Okay, when you do that, what are you going to do?
Oh my god.
This. What is this? Graphing on what?
What?
Graphing on what?
On the arrow. The
Number line, right guys?
number line, yeah.
What is this thing called?
A number line. Number
Okay, okay. Okay.
Solve your answer.
Alright, so. Alright, so I'm gonna add a step to this worksheet. I'm gonna have them, practice doing the number lines on it. So I'm gonna do the first two for you guys. I'm gonna have you guys come up and do some problems on your own, okay? I want you guys to have a piece of paper up so you can kind of write these problems down. Okay, get a blank piece of paper and start writing down what I'm writing down. Okay?
Write this down. Start writing this down.
You're gonna write what's up there.
Okay.
Come on, write it on here. You're taking notes right now.
Negative 4 plus 5. You don't have to draw the number line because you have it. So just draw negative 4 plus 5.
What's my bigger number here? -4 plus 5. What's the bigger number?
5.
5.
So this is my bigger number, right?
Uh-huh.
Right?
Yep.
And then 4 is smaller. So, if what's -4 plus 5?
If you have your answer,
What's -4 plus 5?
1.
Is it positive or negative result?
Positive.
Okay. It was 1. Where would I graph it? Where would I put on the number line? On this side or that side?
That's this one side.
Right here? Or here?
Positive.
The
This way or that
4
way?
to the -4 to the 1.
Right here, right?
Yes.
this one right here. So
Okay.
you're going to put it on the positive side.
One more question, and I'm gonna have you guys come up on your own, okay? What happens if you have 0? What's 0 plus 6?
It's a 0. I mean,
It's
a
6.
Okay, where would I graph it?
You would graph it somewhere on the right. The positive side.
Okay. So my answer would be 6, right? And then you graph it here?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Do you guys remember when you would use a open or a closed dot?
No, I don't
Write these
remember.
down.
Did you guys learn about that? Never mind. Alright, so you write this down. I'm gonna have 2 people come up and do problems, okay? 2 people at a time. You guys write this down?
Oh, yeah. You're good.
Okay, so number 3 and 4.
Okay, checks all done.
Actually, maybe I can do 3 people.
Jen.
So this.
Oh, look, right there, number 2. Number 2 is 0 plus 6. Number 2 is right here. 2. So you're writing 2.
All right, so. Aiden, you want to come up first? Aiden and Giselle.
Giselle can go first.
Both of you guys, come on. Both of you guys.
Equals.
So you're gonna do number 3, Aiden, and Giselle's gonna do number 4.
Okay.
Okay? Say what your steps are before as you do them. What are your steps? What do you gotta do first?
So it's a negative 5 plus 6. So
Solve the problem first, right?
yeah.
And then you do what?
Make sure, look. See how to do these.
I don't know. What do you have to do?
Okay, it's gonna be minus. So,
Negative 5 plus 6 is what?
so 5 minus 6. Like it would be, wouldn't it be the opposite? Like 5 minus 6?
Okay, think about this. It was, what's 5 minus 6?
You can't though. That's the thing.
Okay, what's 6 plus, what would,
It's 11.
okay, so what's negative 5 plus 6?
Negative 5 plus 6 is 11.
Since this is a negative, it has to be going up, right?
Yeah.
So 6 minus 5 is what?
6 minus 5 is 1.
Okay. Negative or positive?
Negative. Positive.
Because what?
Because the biggest number is positive.
Okay, so graph it.
Wait till gone.
1. Right there.
So you have your dot.
Yeah? What?
On the 1, right?
Yeah.
Good job. Good job. So wait, I'm gonna go over with you. So 8 plus 3 is what?
11.
Okay. So where would you graph that?
8 to the 11.
6, that's what, number 3 right here?
11.
Good job, guys. Keep.
Plus
Yep.
3. Okay, those 2 right, what they're gonna do is come back.
Keep.
The blue.
Alright.
But you're not all done yet. You have to do number 4. Number 4.
Plus 2.
Okay, and that's 8 plus 3.
Liam, you wanna try? Or do you wanna try one?
You're gonna have to do this. You're good at this. Plus 3.
You can go up and try one, take your number line with you.
On the keys from all gone and all done.
No, you're not all done
Liam.
yet. You're not all done yet. Can what control you?
Take a break.
And then you take a break.
He should take the number line.
You should
Your
tell.
hands here.
What would you do first, Liam? Show me what you would do first. No, we're not drawing that right now. You're focusing on that one, on this problem right now.
All gone.
You're focusing on what, 6 plus 1?
UUNE down.
And if we're not doing that right now. What's negative 6 plus 1?
1.
Negative 6 plus 1.
If you wait, you're gone.
Alright, Keith. Hold on, I'll come back to you.
You're sick.
Okay, so Keith, tell us what you wrote down on
And
it.
then he's like, oh, what is it? What did you mean on it?
What's right here? Look.
Here, right. Can I jump in real quick? So I can show. Right here. You have a -6. Where's -6? Point. Right here. On the dot. Okay, look. Now +1, we're moving to the right. And 1 over. What did you land on?
5.
5. So equals. And it, what is it? Look at the line. 5 what?
Negative.
Negative, right? The negative sign right here. Right here. Okay. Put them in the number line.
Okay.
Okay, put a dot on -5. Where's -5? Put a dot on -5 right there. Dot.
Alright, so Liam got -6 plus 1 equals -5, and he put the dot right here. Good job, Liam. Alright, ready? So it's -7 plus 2.
Just one.
If you wait, you're gone.
Good job, guys. Are you guys ready to try this on your own? You want to do more problems on the board?
Speak now or forever hold your peace. What do you think?
I can't hear you.
No.
Huh?
No.
No to what?
No what?
I don't want to do it by myself.
You want to do it by yourself?
What about you? How do you feel?
No,
Do more problems on the board?
I said no.
Okay, well, she's asking everybody's opinion. Aiden?
What?
More problems? You want to do it on your own?
Nothing said in there.
That didn't answer her question.
What?
Which one do you want? Board or on your own?
Board.
I'll write the problems on the board, and you guys can do it on your own. How about that?
I'll do the board.
Okay? Is that okay?
Yeah.
You want to do it on your own too?
I'm not ready for
Or you want help? Huh?
board.
Actually, I don't really want to do it on my own, but
Okay, because I'm not getting a straight answer. So Giselle said no. She want to go to Aiden wants to practice on his own, right?
no.
Keith.
I meant I want to do one of the problems. I just don't want to do it alone.
Okay, all right. So you want more help. So Keith, ready to do the problems on your own, or a couple more with me?
A couple.
Liam too.
He said more on the board.
Okay. Everybody get this written down? Write this down and then we can
Aiden.
continue. Please.
Can you just?
Aiden, you're writing it down in your.
Everybody write this down? Giselle did.
What do I write down?
And it was done.
Just you don't have to do the graph, just like the problem and the answer.
Okay.
If you wait, you're done.
The graph I just gave you to practice.
I am
So
done.
-4 plus 5 is 1.
They can, but
0
it's not the
plus
same
6
thing.
equals
Because they
6.
just erase it when they're done.
-5 plus 6 equals 1. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Okay. And then -7 plus 2 equals -5. And -6 plus 1 equals -5 in the graphs. Okay? You only have like time for like one more example. Well, we'll give you the rest of the time to practice these on your own, okay guys? Okay?
How much
Can I erase
nice we
this?
got left?
Can I erase this or not yet?
Not yet.
Thumbs
I'm
up if you guys are ready for me to go on.
not ready yet. So I have to write down a few more. Like I have to write down 5 and 6.
These ones written.
Aiden's almost there.
So we're done 5 and 6. Number 5 is -7 plus 2 equals -5. Number 6 is -6 plus 1 equals 5. So 2 more to write down.
Will you write this down, please? -6 plus 1. Okay.
Alright, I'm done.
Okay, Aiden's ready, Giselle's ready, Keith is ready.
How
and
much time do we
Liam's
got
ready.
left?
Okay, good. Just gonna. Just a couple more, okay? What number did we go on? It's number 7, right? 7 problems now?
Yeah.
Okay.
So if you guys run out of room, go on to the next page so you can start writing this down.
Not drawing, you're writing.
Okay. Two of you, okay, so Keith and Liam, 7 and 8. Then Aiden and Giselle, 9 and 10. Okay.
You're gonna write down number 7 and number 8. Write these down. Get a pencil. Because it's right here, okay?
What are they supposed to be doing?
So if you guys are, if someone's ready, you can come up and do your problem. You don't have to wait for everybody else.
Oh, do we write it down?
You write it down and you can come up and do it.
-8, look. Okay, so we have -1. -1, you see it? Here, plus 1 is what? What is this?
You put both of them on the first
You
one?
and Giselle, and then Keith and Liam.
Okay, now wait a minute, we're not finished yet.
You can do
We
it.
have -8.
I'm just confused.
You guys are doing an
That's
excellent
right.
job. So.
It's just 0?
If you're confused, use that. So start at -8,
Okay.
and you can move over to 1, 2. So where are you at?
The guy fights.
Okay,
Negative.
Liam,
Negative
you wanna come up, bud?
Do you want to go up,
See,
William, please, and show them how to work?
Liam,
Liam?
Liam.
you start here.
So you do, which one did you do, 7 or 8?
2. What is that?
That is
You did number 8, right?
Yeah, he did 7 and 8.
Liam, you're not writing your name, you're doing one of these problems.
negative.
Negative 4 is over here. Over here.
Take one, and Keith will do the other.
Negative.
Remember this one?
No, 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 no,
Here,
no,
yeah,
no.
here. Look, look. -1.
-5, negative,
Negative
Okay, what's
5.
-1 plus 1?
negative,
Where is -1 on the number line?
What does that say?
-1 is where?
1,
Okay.
1, 0.
0, good.
You counted a little bit too far with this one.
You did it
You have
beautifully.
-4 plus 2.
Show us on the board where you
Try this one again.
got the answer.
Look,
Negative. You're at negative 1 over here. Negative 4 right there. Plus 2, 1.
0.
And 2? What is that?
So that was 8, Aiden. That was 8.
Is it positive or negative?
Okay.
That was number 8.
No, people.
Negative 8 plus 2.
Ready?
Is
This,
6.
yeah. So write it down.
So you're gonna do number 8. Same concept as before.
Wait, I'm not even done
What do you do
writing.
first?
Oh, I thought he just, did he not just earn his last token?
What's negative 8 plus 2?
He just did a problem, right?
Yes.
So he can earn his last token, he can be done.
Okay.
Okay, and then how do you graph it?
Okay.
You wanna graph it? Show me how to go on the number line where you graph it. You can do number line, that's fine.
No, thank you.
So where is negative 8?
He just typically stays there and then
And then where is 2?
he just stays there.
So where would the dot be? What?
Oh, then just right now.
So it'll be right here, right? Right? Okay?
Put the lid on your marker when you're done eating.
So we're on this side, right? All right. Okay, good. Very good. All right, Giselle or Aiden, who's
Wait.
ready?
I'm still writing. I gotta finish these.
Did you want me to?
I think I got the hang of it.
It's negative 9 plus 3. And then how do you graph it? No. Aiden's gonna do that one. How would you graph this?
Barton, I'm gonna have $1 million.
Yeah. Yeah.
You don't need to go that far.
And my answer is negative 3 minus negative. Negative 2. Negative 2.
So is it gonna be on this side of the number line or this side? Giselle, is that the question? Which side are you gonna do, this side or this side? Why? Because you want what? Okay. Good.
Change to my dream. Change to my dream.
Aiden, you can come up here because we have 5 minutes left. You can ask. So they go where you would, where the dot would be. Because I'll stop. Where would the dot go? Where's negative 6? There's the answer. Dot. All right, Aiden, let's go. Your turn. What's negative 4 plus 2?
4. Well, it's gonna be this.
Okay.
4 minus 2. So that would equal this.
Okay.
Because it's not big enough, so it can't be positive.
Okay.
So,
Graph it. How would you
okay.
graph it?
So, like, so we're not doing this side, so I'll just put it. So,
Change to my dream.
0, yeah.
like, say you're on 4 right here, then jump 2 times. What's your answer? You get 2. So then it's 6.
Okay, so Numbers here, what numbers there?
4,
Okay.
negative
Good job.
The negative goes on the other side, kiddo.
4.
See what it is here.
There
Okay,
you
you
go.
guys are getting this. Good job. Lots of work today, guys.
Yay. By the way, here's the marker.